Welcome back to our channel, Finance Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the top 10 stock indexes in the world. These indexes give us a snapshot of the performance of major segments of the global economy. Let's explore these vital barometers of market health, one by one. 1. S&P 500, USA. First up, the S&P 500, often considered the pulse of the American economy. This index tracks 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the U.S., including giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Established in 1957, it's a key indicator of overall market performance and investor sentiment. 2. Dow Jones Industrial Average, USA. Next, we have the Dow Jones Industrial Average, or simply the Dow. Created in 1896, it follows 30 significant American companies, representing various sectors excluding transportation and utilities. The Dow is known for its historical importance and its role in mainstream media. 3. NASDAQ Composite, USA. The NASDAQ Composite, launched in 1971, focuses heavily on technology and biotech companies. It includes over 3,000 stocks, featuring tech behemoths like Google and Facebook. The NASDAQ's tech tilt makes it crucial for tracking innovation and tech sector growth. 4. FTSE 100, UK. Crossing over to Europe, the FTSE 100 is the leading index in the UK. It comprises the 100 largest companies listed on the London Stock Exchange, including major banks, oil companies, and consumer goods giants. Established in 1984, it's a key gauge of UK economic health. 5. DAX, Germany. In Germany, the DAX index tracks the performance of the 30 largest and most liquid companies listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Known for its accuracy and liquidity, the DAX includes industrial giants like Siemens and Volkswagen. 6. Nikkei 225, Japan. Heading to Asia, the Nikkei 225 is Japan's premier stock index. Launched in 1950, it consists of 225 large companies listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Companies like Toyota, Sony, and Panasonic are part of this index, reflecting Japan's industrial might. 7. Shanghai Composite, China. The Shanghai Composite Index tracks all stocks, including A-shares and B-shares, listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange. It's a key indicator of the Chinese economy, the world's second largest, with a heavy focus on state-owned enterprises and major industrial players. 8. Nifty 50, India. In India, the Nifty 50 is the benchmark index, representing 50 of the largest and most liquid stocks on the National Stock Exchange of India. This index covers a wide array of sectors, including IT, financial services, and consumer goods, making it vital for gauging India's economic momentum. 9. ASX 200, Australia. Down under, the ASX 200 includes the top 200 companies listed on the Australian Securities Exchange. It offers insights into the Australian economy, with a strong emphasis on the financial, materials, and healthcare sectors. 10. TSX Composite, Canada. Lastly, the TSX Composite Index in Canada comprises over 250 companies listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. This index is known for its substantial representation of the energy and financial sectors, reflecting Canada's economic strengths. And there you have it, the top 10 stock indexes in the world. These indexes are essential for understanding the global economy and making informed investment decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful videos. See you next time.